Hello guys, it's your boy Habib Educate and we are back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a short video. In this video I'm going to show you how to block or stop some applications from utilizing some of your data without you noticing. Let's dive into it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, then welcome back. Without wasting my time, what do I mean? To prevent some unnecessary applications from utilizing your data at the background. So now let's on the data. When I switch on my data, you realize there will be some applications that will be utilizing your data at the background. So these are some of the reasons why sometimes you buy data and you realize that within some few minutes you not using the data fully, you realize that the data is finished. Okay, so what is happening is there are some applications that are utilizing the data at the background which you don't know. So today I'm going to show you how to stop or prevent those applications from utilizing your data at the background. So now I'm on my data. As you can see here, YouTube has some notification for me. We have Instagram, and here is Google Chrome. I hate Google Chrome utilizing my data at the background. So what I'm going to do today or currently is just hit here. Can you see that it pops up as setting or site settings? So just hit on the site settings. We're going to prevent these applications from utilizing the data at the background. Site settings, then you move on notification, then you turn off the notification bar. Okay, when you switch it on, it's gonna still be utilizing and be popping up at the background. Okay, but you switching off this notification tab doesn't mean you are preventing the Google Chrome app from functioning. Whenever you want to use it, you can still go directly to the Google Chrome app and utilize it. It's going to function 100%, but for it to be utilizing your data at the background is what we are talking of. So now that we've switched it off, just kindly go back, and that's it. From today onwards, it's not going to pop up or utilize your data at the background unless you go to the app itself and utilize it. So if you don't want to go through this process, I have another process for you. Just go to your settings app, hit on settings, then scroll down and search for apps and notification. Here is it, apps and notification. So here, all the notification or all the applications that you are having on your mobile phones, you will get them here. Okay, so it's up to you to go through them and delete or prevent some of the applications from utilizing the data at the background. So here, as you can see all 124 apps. I told you last time that I have more than 100 applications on my phone and people didn't believe it. So now it said see all 134 apps. So just hit on it. Where did I hit on it? So here are all the 134 apps that I have. So it's up to you to know the applications that are utilizing the background, the data at the background. So let me show you some of the apps that are utilizing my data at the background. We have application like the HAA games, the AHA game. Mostly it uses my data at the background, so I could remember turning it off. You see, no permission allowed. I've not allowed it any permission to utilize any of what is supposed to utilize or any data at the background. So apart from that, which app also utilizes my data? I have Google Chrome also, which is part of them. Yeah, here is it, Google Chrome. So as you can see, previously I disallowed the Google Chrome from utilizing show notification and other stuff. So just hit like this. So now I've disallowed it or disabled it. So at your request, Android is blocking this app's notification from appearing on this device. It is just blocking the notification. Okay, so it cannot use it at the background. So if you want to use the app, you can still go to the app itself and use it for whatever you want to use it for. That doesn't mean you are preventing the apps from functioning. It can still function, but you are just blocking the notifications that pops up at the background. So now hit back, and you can still search through your phone with some of the apps that that have been utilizing the data at the background and just block them. To me, Google itself is not utilizing. Okay, if it was to be utilizing, I'll just hit notification and block it, but it is not. So I think this video is educative, you can still do same and prevent your data from being used at the background. I think you've understood what I mean. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. As I told you, we are here to help each other, so still support the boy by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Whatever it is, let me know in the comment section down below, okay? And what you want me to do a video about, you can still leave it in the comment section below. We will be glad to answer the questions and also try to do the videos that you want. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video. Salam.